What makes people care about you? Is it money, fame, profession, politics or power, or millions of followers on social media? What is the actual secret behind it? Let's explore it in this video. Hi, if you are new to watching my videos, my name is Trophy and I try to share my learnings and experiences here on this channel. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. As human beings, somehow we all want people to care about us. You can say, no, I don't care if somebody cares about me or not. But in reality, you do care about it. Don't lie. Why are you always lying?
Why you always lying?
You know, human nature says we love to get attention and we don't like to get ignored by others at all. So today's video is all about breaking it down and finding the core reason why do people care about us and when do we care about others. Now let me tell you a story. 5 years ago, there was a guy called Sakib who used to get ignored in his class. He was kind of a nerd, so he used to read a lot of books. As he was an introverted guy, so his classmates did find him so boring. And that's why his classmates didn't even take him in the hangout groups. And even after his graduation, no one even contacted him and no one even asked how he is doing. Then just last year, he updated his job status on Facebook and LinkedIn that he became a judicial magistrate. Since then, he started receiving a lot of phone calls every single day. Now his classmates who used to ignore him before are now seeking his attention and asking to meet them if he has time. So suddenly, why the whole scenario got changed? Is it for his job career or profession? Well, we will know it just after a few more stories. Now another story of a girl named Sarah who loves doing makeup and taking a lot of pictures. She used to be considered as a dumb girl in her class just because she is only good at doing makeup and nothing else more. Sarah was very sad about it, but she kept uploading her pictures and makeup tutorials on Instagram. Suddenly her tutorial videos got viral. She has gained 3 million of followers on Instagram within a year. Now her scenario also got changed. She makes thousands of dollars just from brand deals. Her classmates who used to call her dumb now consider her as so-called bestie. So why Sarah is now being cared for a lot? Is it for her millions of social media followers, fame, popularity, or the money she is making now? Now let's reveal it. Back in a student life, Sakib hasn't much value to offer to his classmates. As a result, he got ignored. But now, as a judicial magistrate, he has a great value to offer to them in many ways. So now he is being cared for by all others. Sarah, who used to be called as a dumb, now has a voice to the millions of audiences worldwide. And to avail her influence, knowledge, and expertise, she is now being cared by others. So this is all about what and how much value you are providing to others, no matter of your profession, money, or power. It sounds very unreal and hurts, but this is the ultimate truth, my friends. The characters I have mentioned in the story are completely fictional, but you can find a lot of stories like those in our society. But hey, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell because my next video is much more interesting than this one. Until then, watch those videos and I will see you in the next video.